paid, but nothing that is paying like YouTube. It is not. It's not yet made platforms, and it is like this. It is no more a secret that people are earning money through social media platforms. I'm sure everybody knows that. Yes, it is no more a secret that people are paid by YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and every social media platform. And I'm just happy that Google has granted me a certificate in ads, and actually I'm still studying with them, but at least they have granted me a certificate. It is legit. You can check it out. It is there. So what am I going to be using this professionalism that I've been given by Google? It is to help you understand the algorithm and grow wider. I will be using this one of my YouTube channels and other social media platforms to make sure that I sharpen you and I direct you of how to make use of Google. It is no more secret that people are using YouTube and other social media platforms by the way to be paid, but you can understand Google. I'm sure you know that Google is part of Google is YouTube. I think you know that. So I'm going to help you grow your YouTube. You know, there is too much unemployment in Africa, and I'm going to use this expertism that I've been given this time that I've been studying with Google to have knowledge and expertism that now I'm having. Actually, I feel that I can help you grow your social media more than you think. And I'm going to do it starting on my channel. This channel you're watching me from, it has been doing other stuffs, but I'm going to make sure that I use it in helping the society, and mostly starting with you, my subscriber. And I'm sure by the end of this starting month of March, coming month of March 2026, I'm sure that you are going to sharpen yourself. You are going to get rid of all that. You must monetize that channel, and you must pull enough crowd to make sure that you're also earning and be paid by Google. Google is paying, by the way. YouTube is paying people millions and millions of money. That one I'm telling you what I know, because I'm also paid by Google, by the way. I'm also paid. I'm one of those people that are paid by Google. So I'm just going to help you donate some of your time to us, to the YouTube. If you want to start, first of all, you have to give in some small time. And if you want to go far, the way I feel that I have that yearning heart of going far, going viral, earning more, giving enough time for Google to make sure that you draw your circle of earning. You can do this, and I know you are going to do it, right? Because I'm doing it on the other channels, those that are not my other channels that I want to, but I will use this one specifically for teaching only these issues to make sure that you grow wider. Yes, we'll be teaching even other things, but specifically I'm going to use this channel to sharpen you, to make sure that you grow wider, because I've been in training with Google. They have trained me enough to teach you and to help you grow. I'm going to do that. You can check out that certificate. It is really authentic by Google. It is granted to me by Google. It is really authentic. You can check it out, and I'm going to use the expertise that I've got, the knowledge that I've got, to help you beat the algorithm, and you make good content, and by the way, you'll be paid. I will start with two things in my journey with my subscribers. First of all, I will start with my subscribers. The first thing that I will ask you, I've already mentioned it in past 1-2 minutes. I've asked you for your time. Give me your time, first of all. Second, you are going to show me that you really love it. You really want to make money online. If you do really feel that you want to make money online, show it to me. By how? You can come in my inbox using that number there, or else comment there in that comment section box that I'm really interested, and I will make sure that I reach out to you, and we start. Another thing that you're going to do for me, get a good smartphone camera. If you can have a good smartphone camera, start with that one. Any camera of your choice, you can start with that one. Thirdly, you will help me get a niche of what you can do, right? You're going to be doing what you feel like you can do. I don't want you to do something that is like copied from somebody, right? So I want you, okay, for example, let's say you are a doctor, professionally, you are a doctor, you are a medical worker. We can go through there, because YouTube has an audience that really wants your expertise. That they have the audience that where you can show your expertise, and you also earn, by the way, through that. I've just given you a hit of professionalism. You could be a mechanic, you can be a preacher, a pastor, you love the gospel like me, you can teach the word of God, you can any niche, or you can be a traveler, you do tours everywhere, every niche you do, even if it's a comedy, right? But I would recommend you have something that you can constantly do, like freely do, something that you can do, even if they awake in the morning and they tell you, please come and do this, like you can do it. It's something you feel like you do. It is part of you. You can do it better than, like, you don't need a push up to do it. You get that thing. And I'm not saying that somebody who doesn't have or feel something, he can't fit this YouTube partnership program. You fit it. How? In another way. You can't fail to do something in life. Even if you are showing people how you are eating, it is also content. And there are people that just want to see you eating. You must have something that can draw people into your box. They will come. And YouTube can monetize you actually and pay you. You get it? Number 3 on this issue of your expertise, like something you feel like this is what I can do. You could be even a border rider, motorcycle rider. You can be this cycle, whatever. Anything you do, you can be a footballer. Anything you can do, you can be able. If I start to teach people about this European football World Cup and whatever, you can teach people anything that you feel like you can do. You get? YouTube will make sure that they monetize you and actually pay you for what you are doing. I'm going to make sure that we reach there together. What is my hope and my target by doing this? First of all, I want to have a wider audience. Wide and wider. You get? Wide and wider audience. I want it, and actually that's why I'm forcing myself to use a foreign language. Why? Because I want to reach people from different countries. I don't want to have people just from my circle, like my area. I want to reach far. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to use English so that we communicate with the people that are outside there, people, the audience that is beyond. We can connect through online, through this social media. And I reach to so many. That's my target. My target, first of all, I want to have new friends, new society, new people. That's my target. That's me. And another target, I want to have a community that I helped to grow, a community that I helped to become something. Yes. I hope you've gotten well. I want a society that I helped to grow, a society that I added on, a community, a group of people that can say, he helped me, he showed me this, he taught me how to do this, he added something on me. That's one of my desires. That's why I'm going to force myself to use English. English is not my language, by the way. It's not my language, but I'll force myself to speak to you through the foreign language because it is not my language yet. But I'm going to make sure that I do my best to communicate to you. If it needs me to study books day by day, I will do that to make sure that I reach to you through English. And even Chinese, I will learn that Chinese language to make sure that I reach out to you. Okay? And I'm going to help you in so many ways to grow your society, your channels, your what. I'm going to do that for free of charge, by the way, because after all, YouTube is paying me. You get? Yeah, YouTube will be paying me to do this, and they're actually paying me well. I'm not complaining. There is no any complaint that I will do to YouTube. YouTube is not paying me now. YouTube is paying me well, and that's why I want to help you also grow in that way. In Africa, we are really having that challenge of unemployment, but you know that YouTube is employing people is paying people just by doing what they feel to do. They don't interview you. No, what they want is you to understand the policy, the partnership program of YouTube, and then when you understand the policies, you will go through them. Though they are updating them daily time, and sometimes they update them. But when they update, they make sure that they notify you so that you don't fall into those mistakes. Now, I'll help you to fit that those people that YouTube wants. But I'm sure that what you are, it's enough for YouTube to pay you. It's enough. I will not say things that will shock you now, but when you start to earn from YouTube, you understand what I was telling you. But now it can be hard for you to understand. But I'm sure few days to come, after you being paid by YouTube through partnership program of YouTube, you tell the guy was really serious. Why? Because YouTube can pay you more than a member of parliament is paid. I'm talking the member of parliament of Kenya and Uganda and Tanzania, those countries. I don't know far, but there in East Africa I can mention Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania. YouTube partnership program can pay you more than MOP of those countries is paid. I'm sure. I'm telling you what I know. YouTube, it does. And because I'm giving this responsibility to you, I'll tell it to you openly. No creator will tell you this. You know what? They just don't want you to earn, because they think that when you know, some creators, they think that when you know that YouTube is paying this and is paying like this, they think that they will have too much competition in society. But YouTube is not about the competition. I'm telling you, you can be, because imagine you come on YouTube like today, you start to scroll like this. If you scroll like 1 hour, you're on screen scrolling, watching different videos, where is it coming me that you'll only stop on my colleague's video, you'll not come to watch mine, and your work is just scrolling? Because many people are watching videos day by day. There is no way I can even feel like somebody will not watch mine. No, you are going to watch my video only 30 minutes, and then you scroll down, you will find another. You can't just spend a day watching only my video. You finish my video, then you watch another somebody's video. You get that's how we go. So don't feel like some creators, they feel like if they teach you how they do it or how they did it, like you're going to occupy their audience. No, it can't. These people are so many. You can ask your Google and ask how many subscribers there are on YouTube. Let me try to do that now. Okay, Google is telling me YouTube has 2.6 billion active users. 2.6 billion. 2.6 billion. All these people, they are looking for content to watch. They are looking for new education videos, educating videos, comment. They want to learn something new. They are here looking for your video. They don't see 2.6 billion subscribers across the globe. So this is what you can do. Your life you have, it actually can be fed or teach or contribute on these 2.6 billion subscribers on YouTube. So you don't need all these 2 millions, 2 billion. You just need at least 300,000 of subscribers with you, or viewers. Only those ones can pay you beyond what the MP of your area is paid through YouTube partnership program. And I will be helping you to grow more, understand more. I will be using only this channel of mine. You get it? I will help you to be monetized. I will show you how the YouTube want it. How don't feel like it is hard for you to come to me, or don't feel like the guy maybe can say I'm tired or what. No, you come to me every time. I will help you to understand the YouTube partnership program, because I'm granted that responsibility to make sure that I make you grow and understand. Thank you so much. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video. It can help somebody else. Let people of your society get to know that there is this program, and we are going to make it happen on these 2.6 billion of people that are subscribed on YouTube. We feed them, and we also earn and educate the society. Thank you so much. I'm Epi Steven, and don't feel like it is a new style of content. Yes, it might be, but I sat down there and I thought of you. And I thought of how can I also benefit more, be of benefit on our society. That is what I go to, like an idea to see, to use and reach you out, and at least teach something new and help you grow in society. God bless you. I'll be teaching different things that you've never heard from anybody, any creator will never tell you this. I know some of you know me. Yes, I'm going to use this small channel, and it's going to grow when you are watching. It's going to grow more. Yes, it's growing. We just started this channel recently to develop. It's like 2.5 months back. Yes, this channel, you can witness. You can even check it out. It is just 2 months, but you can see how it is growing and it is going wider. God bless you, and thank you for watching.